Banco. I'm working with FMMA Global Construction Nigerian Limited. I'm a Nigerian, and right now we are going to work on a true wire, 45-degree true wire. I'm going to show you how to fabricate a 45-degree true wire. Very simple. We do this almost every day. So join me and let's look at it. Okay, we go to the board. As you can see on the board, the formula for true wire on either true wire is tan theta divided by 2 times radius. So, for example, it's a pipe OD equals to 60 millimeters. Then radius of the pipe, for you to have the radius is the half of the OD, which is 60 divided by 2 equals to 30. 30 becomes the radius. Now we move. We said 45, that is theta divided by 2, that is the degree divided by 2. Then we said the degree is 45. 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. The header solution formula is the tan 22.5 times the radius. Tan 22.5 times the radius. What we have, the answer is 12.426. That is the answer of the header. Then we move to the branch. The branch formula. The branch formula is the radius divided by tan theta. Radius divided by tan theta. What is the radius? The radius is 30. Radius is 30. Then the radius is 30. Then 30 divided by, if you press in your calculator, tan 45. Tan 45 equals to is 1. Tan 45 is 1. So you say 30 divided by 1 is 30. Go to your calculator. Press 30 divided by 1 equals to 30. So 30 becomes the answer of the header. So now we move to the formula. We said, now in this formula said that A is equals to B. So in the header, A is equals to B. That means what you have here is what you will have here. So now, we move. Then we said C is equals to A. That means what you have as your A is your C. That means what you have as your A is your C. Then now we have here F is equals to B. That means what you have as your F is your B. So now we have here E is equals to D. That means what you have as your E is equals to D in the branch. So now we go. The solution is that A is 12.426. B is 12.426. C is 12.426. Then D is 30. Then E is 30. F is 12.426. So now we are to move to the pipe cutting now. Right now we use carton pipe. We call this carton pipe. If you can use this to fabricate this, you can still use it. You can still make it in a steel pipe. We use this one to fabricate it. So if you have this one accurate, that means you can have accurate too in the steel pipe. So watch out. Now we have marked this pipe already. We have marked it already. Now we mark it already. So now we are going to cut it out. Look at how they mark it. The marking point. Okay, come to me. So now this is how you can mark it. Now the marking point is that what you do is that, remember, your E, your F, as we look at the board, the F is that from your F is 12.426. That means you take a measurement from this point to this point, 12.426 as your F. Then after marking, having 12.426 here, you use your wrap around. Then you wrap it with your wrap around to this point. That is your F. Then if you turn the other side of the branch, this is the branch. If you turn the other side of the branch, you mark, you look at, here is E. If you check here, E is 30. If you check there, E is 30. Then now you mark from here to this point, E, which is 30. You now have mark a dot, have a dot line. Then you use your wraparound to wrap it and get this cut line. So the same way you do to others, to cut it out so that we can fix it. Is to cut it out so that we can fit it. Is to cut it out so that we can fix it. So let's start the cutting. Okay. Okay, we start the cutting. If you can have it accurate in this carton pipe, you can still have it in your steel pipe. As you can see, that is the feet up. That is the feet up. That is the feet up. Okay. Okay. That is it. This is a true Y 45 degree. True Y 45 degree. As you can see, this is exactly true Y 45 degree. You can see the whole line running together. As you can see, that is accurate 45 true Y. As you can see. Okay. This is exactly 45 degree, 45 through Y. I told you we do this almost every day. So, let me remember you again. My name is Bros Franco. I'm working with FMA Global Construction Nigerian Limited. This video is being supported by Urujan Global. And next week, Friday, you will see us again coming out with a different fabrication. Thank you.